What's fitted is the log of the interest rate. So to get the interest rate, I have to do exponent. So I'm going to put an exp to the beginning of all of this. Let me see. And I'm doing something wrong somewhere. For now, that's log of rates. I don't get it. E to the power of this is to give me 417. Why doesn't it? Oh, you're not telling me that I'm an idiot. The reason is in Excel, when you say log, it assumes that it is base 2 logarithm. And I need to say ln, which means I'm going to have to do all of these again. Of course, my equation has changed. I just have to change these coefficients. Yeah. Now I can put the exp in front of this. Okay. But whenever I have the actual number, I'm going to use the actual. So I'm going to put an if statement to the beginning of this. If uh, there's a function called isNa, is the value of the cell Na. If isNa, this, use the fitted number. Otherwise, use the actual number. If we wanted, we could also highlight which one is actual, which one is fitted. Let's actually do that. Home, conditional formatting. And the formula is now this equals false. I'm just going to make that have green backgrounds. Actually, normally make this have black and white. All right. The black ones are the ones that I fitted. The green ones are the ones that I actually had. Not that it matters, but I like knowing what's calculated, what's given. So I have a fitted yield curve. So if I actually, let me cut and insert it here. Sometimes stuff like that happens. I don't know why that happens. Oh, that's because of the 20 year. That's actually the right number. I'm right before 20 year. It's 21, 20, so on and so forth. But we're gonna act that, let me see. This is our yield curve. Okay. Now, given that, we can calculate the forward rates, or I need the 1 year forward rates. Let me do this. I actually wanted to make that the name of the sheet. All that's equal to the 1 year rate, or I'm sorry, spot. And I know where to get it from. In fact, I'm going to divide these by 100 so that I can express them as percentages. All right. Let's kind of get the equation that's we need to have supported. Suppose I have to calculate 1 year forward rate that starts in year 4 and ends in year 5.